Yo, wagwan. Yeah, man, we're there up on the premiere. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel and Chambah family have meaning official music video, AIR FORCE Riddim. Yeah? So make sure you drop a like on the one, yeah? Subscribe. Yes, because I'm not ready to ask you if you subscribe. But just drop a like on the video anyway. See? So I'm going to jump in and see what the teacher did. Let's go.
Representing families all over the world. May I drink some white rum with me mother? Miss Leaf Hatchie said they gonna grab her. Family first, nothing else matters. Facebook, I forget that the data.
Yeah, are you sorry there?
Else matters.
Hold on, let me check it. I remember say premiere now. Yo! The energy mad.
Representing.
I know say the Gaza Boss are headline regular in the UK this Sunday. Alright? Before everybody walk up.
Families all over the world.
Energy, let's go. Alright.
May I drink some white rum with me mother?
What?
Miss Leaf Hatchie said they gonna grab her.
Let go.
Family first, nothing else matters. Facebook, I forget that the data. Have a bag of house, but me was a squatter. Dads love your daughter, me proud of the honor.
Bobo Clad man say have a bag of house, but I was a squatter. Me used to homeless. Never used to live nowhere. Big up the G Chambah. Big up myself.
The data. Have a bag of house, but me was a squatter. Dads love your daughter, me proud of the honor. Every youth.
Dads love your daughter. I'm proud of Adiana. I'm proud of female daughter. So make sure you love one of that. Hey.
Have a bag of house, but me was a squatter. Dads love your daughter, me proud of the honor. Every youth without a daddy need a big brother. One black family, love with one another.
Every youth without a daddy need a bigger brother. Need a big brother. Need somebody to guide them. Need somebody to show them the ropes. Need somebody to build them life. Yes. So somebody who them can look up to. Yeah.
Every youth without a daddy need a big brother. One black family, love with one another. Candy Chambah, already sing it if you feel it. Family have meaning. You know where would I be? Mommy without you. Without you. Money no me no. Without you. You know my love is true. Me daddy meet and married. Wedding ring.
Oh, sick. No, man, no. I feel so long again. Yo, Chambah, you have a hit song, me, G. Big up your wife as well in that video, Chambah. What's your name, Deli? What's your name? Forgot her name.
Families all over the world.
But ready?
May I drink some white rum with me mother? Miss Leaf Hatchie said they gonna grab her. Family first, nothing else matters. Facebook, I forget that the data. Have a bag of house, but me was a squatter. Dads love your daughter, me proud of the honor. Every youth without a daddy need a big brother. One black family, love with one another. Candy Chambah, already sing it if you feel it. Family have meaning. You know where would I be? Mommy without you. Without you. Money no me no. Without you. You know my love is true. Me daddy meet and married, wedding ring. Who I got lift up me when me down my mother.
Yo, hold on, man. Let me refresh this and see this song done. Alright, so we can get a better quality audio. Because the premiere kind of fuck up the audio.
Representing
Silverbirds, big up.
families all over.
Must get a better audio now. Alright, ready?
May I drink some white rum with me
Much
mother?
better, yeah.
Miss Leaf Hatchie said they gonna grab her.
Let go.
Family first, nothing else matters. Facebook, I forget that the data. Have a bag of house, but me was a squatter. Dads love your daughter, me proud of the honor. Every youth without a daddy need a big brother. One black family, love with one another. Candy Chambah, already sing it if you feel it. Family have meaning. You know where would I be? Mommy without you. Without you. Money no me no. Without you. You know my love is true. Me daddy meet and married. Wedding ring. Who I got lift up me when me down my mother. Woo. My sister, me love you for life. All when them miserable I represent.
Look up the G sister. My sister, me love you for life. All when them miserable life. Look up my sister them.
My sister, me love you for life. All when them miserable I represent your blood, represent your tribe. For every family worldwide.
Yo, anybody we forward under the comment section and eat panda song and say this song a shit. Oh, no love no family and the family don't love no cause something wrong and do something wrong.
Represent your blood, represent your tribe. For every family worldwide. Sing it if you feel it. Family of meaning. You know where would I be? Mommy without you. Without you. Money no me no.
Chabas.
Have my one family now, call me out, I'm a grown one kids own house.
Yo, I have my one family now, cause me out, I'm a grown one kids own house. Yeah, but sing it up.
You know my love
alright,
is true.
me have my
one family now, call me out, I'm a grown one kids own house. Big up the good daddy, them coulda live in a mansion or in a board house. Good time.
Big up the good daddy them. You could have live in a mansion or in a board house. Big up on yourself, yeah.
Big up the good daddy them. Could have live in a mansion or in a board house. Good time, bad time. Joy or sadness, one house. My day in prison, I watch my son them I grow up in nearly mad.
Bobo clad. When they are prisoner, watch my son them I grow up and nearly mad out. Yeah. Like this, I wish this song was on his album. Because this song fit up on the album. God and Time. Yeah, makes sense.
Watch my son them I grow up in nearly mad. Sing it if you feel it. Family of meaning. Don't know where would I be? Money without you. Without you. Money no me no.
Money don't mean nothing, dog. Don't your family. Silver bird and knocky bumbo clad. This bad. Look at the teacher. Yo, big up the production team. Chambah, big up yourself, bro. You have a hit songwriter, so. Yeah, like I said, this song should have been on the album because it fit with the God and Time. This fit with the God and Time. Money don't mean nothing if your family, like, you get me? Family are everything. Yeah. So big up all the fathers then when they live with a board house or a mansion. Big up on the cell. Yeah. And for the G them out there when I have a father, make sure you have a big brother. And the big brother doesn't have to be blood family. But just know say your family see me. You see me? Yeah, man, a teacher, man. Bumbo clad, this bad. I know the teacher, like me say teacher, they are regular on this weekend. Yeah, now the UK. Headliner. Fuck up. You know, one thing about I want to dog in the comment section, steals, and I'll catch you guys down there.